Radial nerve flossing can be used to reduce symptoms from the distribution of the radial nerve, its root origins from C5 to T1, its mechanical interfaces, and sensory and motor supplies, which includes the tricep and wrist and finger extensors. To perform the radial nerve glide, begin in the radial nerve tension position of contralateral neck side flexion, shoulder depression, arm internal rotation, and forearm pronation, finally adding wrist and finger flexion, including thumb opposition. Before or at the onset of tension, release the nerve tension from the neck by side flexing towards the arm. This should allow an increased arm range of movement into the radial nerve tension posture. To glide the nerve in reverse, release some of the wrist flexion while simultaneously side flexing the neck back to the contralateral side flexion position. This technique can be combined with manual therapy, as shown here, with cervical spine lateral glides and decompression cups over or near the nerve's main mechanical interface areas.